Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics and PixieKits.com. Today I'm going to do a real quick tutorial on Blink and how to get rid of those pain in the butt notifications that they got hidden in there somewhere. I'm sure some kind of marketing ploy where they hide this stuff on Blink, I swear. But anyways, all I did was change the batteries in my workshop camera, and all of a sudden my phone starts blowing up with all kinds of freaking notifications. All I did was replace the battery. I did not adjust anything in the app. Now I got notification that the batteries have been replaced, or something like the health is better. Then I got notification that it was having a problem getting to Wi-Fi when I first powered it up. Then I got a notification that there was motion, and my phone was just blowing up, and all I did was replace the batteries. So apparently when these cameras come back online now on Blink, it must be a new software something update, it automatically turns on all of the freaking notification, and the notifications are hidden. You can't find them. So let me just show you right here real quick. Now watch over here. I'm going to go to my workshop. All right, let's see if the mouse will go here. And I'm going to click on this button right here. All right. And so I click on that little three dot thing, and I go to notification snooze, and it's snoozed. And I'm like, I'm still getting notifications. Like, what in the world? So I tried to turn motion detection off. That didn't do it. I went to device settings. I went down here, motion settings. And I tried to turn this early notification off. Nope, that didn't do it. I was still getting notifications. Now, what you got to do, guys, long and short of it, is, oh man, it doesn't even show down here. But anyways, I'm going to show it on the camera. Right down here in the corner, it says settings. So I'm going to hit settings, and you see it changed on the computer. And then I'm going to go to notifications. You can't see it on my phone. But anyways, I'm hitting right here on notifications. Now, right up here where it says notification options, and it gives you two options right here. All right? But little did anybody tell you right here, this where it says notification options, that's clickable. All right? Man, I wish you could see it on my phone. But anyways, right where my mouse is, click on where it says notification options. Here is all of your notifications, all right? Doorbell press, general notification, health notification, local storage. Let's see, you can't see the rest of it on my screen, but schedule notifications, system offline, and then down the bottom it has advanced options. And I went through and I shut every one of those off, and that cured my problem. All right, guys, I'm not going to say any more. That's long and short of it. Blink has those notifications hidden in there somewhere. My feeling is they hid it like that and didn't make it look like it's clickable, so you have to contact them, and then there's some kind of marketing ploy for they'll say, oh yeah, you can't adjust those notifications unless you have the premium option, and then you can shut them off. Yeah, bull crap. Thanks, guys. Ring the bell, hit the subscribe, or is it like, ring the bell, hit the subscribe. More to come.